Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Botim account easily on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up our Botim application. Then from here, we want to go ahead and tap on our profile on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the option that says manage my account. Then from here, you're going to have the option to delete my account. And then basically after here, you're going to have to enter your registered phone number and then verify the one-time password code sent to you. Then basically confirm your deletion. Then your account will be scheduled for deletion, usually within a few days. Now, if you change your mind deleting your account, I suggest contacting their support team and letting them know you would like to reinstate your account and no longer go through with deleting.